Hey gentlemen, welcome back to Dental Miracle. Raise your hand if you have ever walked out of a dentist appointment and realized you forgot to ask something important. Yeah, me too. Most of us sit in that chair, nod along, and leave without really understanding what is going on inside our own mouths. And that silence? It can actually cost you your health, your smile, and yes, your money. Today, we are breaking down the 10 questions you should always ask your dentist, whether it is your first visit or your 50th. Stick around till the end, because question number 10 is one almost nobody asks, but it could completely change how you approach your dental care. Question 1. What is the current condition of my oral health overall? Ask your dentist to grade your overall oral health. Is it excellent? Fair? Understanding the full landscape helps you prioritize and make better decisions. Question 2. Do I have any early signs of gum disease? Gum disease does not just affect your mouth. Studies have linked it to heart disease and diabetes. Asking early is being smart. Question 3. Are my current dental habits actually working? Bring your toothbrush to the appointment and ask for a critique. Think of it as a personalized dental coaching session. Question 4. Do I need x-rays today and why? Standard recommendations vary. Ask, what are you looking for with these x-rays? This keeps you informed and ensures they are genuinely needed. Question 5. What treatment do I actually need versus what is optional? This helps you separate the must do now from the nice do have. A trustworthy dentist will never pressure you. Question 6. Is my diet affecting my teeth? Your dentist can suggest simple swaps, like rinsing with water after acidic foods. Your mouth is a mirror of your overall diet. Question 7. Should I be worried about teeth grinding? Signs include jaw, soreness, or frequent headaches. A custom night guard can protect your teeth from expensive repairs down the road. Question 8. What do my wisdom teeth look like, and should I be concerned? The longer you wait to address a problematic wisdom tooth, the more complicated it becomes. Knowledge here is genuinely power. Question 9. How do my medications or health conditions affect my oral health? Over 400 medications cause dry mouth, which increases decay risk. Make sure your dentist has your complete, updated medication list. Question 10. What is the one thing I should focus on before my next visit? That single question forces your dentist to prioritize. You walk out with one clear, specific, actionable goal tailored to your mouth. And there you have it, the 10 questions you should always ask your dentist. Save this list on your phone. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe to Dental Miracle for more weekly dental health tips. Until next time, keep smiling, keep asking questions, and take care of those teeth. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.